Hey guys, how's it going? Onionmanhd here, and today I got something pretty awesome. Just came in, I got my new gaming office chair. So we're going to do an unboxing and just kind of quickly test how it feels. Let's take a look. So this is the box here. I'm kind of sitting on the edge here. This is a chair from a company called Pulse Labz. It's a Canadian company based out of Vancouver. I think they do sell gaming chairs on like Newegg and stuff. So I think this one's from Newegg. I think it was just closer to where I live. So that's where they shipped it from. But yeah, let's open this thing up and start putting this thing together. Yeah guys, this is the chair. Turns out my camera just died on me, so I had to charge the battery, so I just kind of put the rest of it together. The back's pretty straightforward. You just put 2 bolts on each side, put these covers on, good to go. Then you just put your headrest pillow, which is actually quite plush and quite nice. And then your lumbar pillow, which is soft, but I'm not used to it, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use that yet. If you guys are wondering, I know people in other videos have wondered how to put this lumbar pillow on. There's actually a thing in the back here. You kind of go behind the pillow, strap it on, and then you can move it back and forth. I think the first models they had of this series, the pillow is just loose on there, so you guys have to move it yourself. Here it stays on the chair, which is nice. Chair is firm, but it is comfy. If I sit on it, it's very comfy. It's nice having a backrest finally. My other chair is always cut off right at my neck, so it's always like hanging over the top, which is kind of annoying. The armrests, they are 4-way, so you can move in and out. They can move forward and back. They can swivel, and they go up and down. So that's nice. You can adjust them the way you want. They're not, I don't know if they're plastic. It's kind of like a plastic rubber mix type of thing. You can press them and they press in, but they are firm still. They feel comfy. There's a lever on both sides. I believe one is for the up and down, and the other one might be just to lean back a little bit. Or to lock it, maybe. Maybe to lock it. And then there's also a little handle on the side, on the right side, used to recline all the way back if you want. So if you're the person that likes to lay down in your chair, then you can do that. Which surprisingly is not the most uncomfortable thing I've done. But I probably won't be using it like that. But anyway, you can do that if you want. So yeah, overall I'm decently impressed by this. It definitely is more comfortable than my other chair. My old chair was like one of those executive office chairs from Staples. It was totally fine for what I had, but it's been a couple years and now the cushion wasn't very good anymore. I could feel like the frame underneath it, and just wasn't really giving my butt any cushion anymore. So this one is firm, but I feel like it's gonna last a lot longer. It's not just gonna sink away right away. So fingers crossed it works. I will put a link to this chair in the description. This is the Guardian series from Pulse Labz. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more gaming and tech content. And as always guys, I will see you guys in the next video.